Welcome to Tronconnes Mexico, a rich exotic land that seems more like paradise every day, as hotels, luxurious homes, and tropical flowers spring up along the beach. However, when you look closer, you may wonder, what is the real wealth of this area?
These areas, by their richness, by their genetic diversity, should be stay as native as they are.
But this is not the case. Troncones is quickly losing its rare biological richness, which is why a group of local people are trying to educate and work with the community to save their environment. One of the leaders behind this movement is Pato.
Well, my name is Ernesto León Sandoval, and everybody call me Pato. I'm working with organic agriculture and reforestation. We are in a process to remove the pesticides from our food and to restore part of the natural ecosystem that we are being lost in. These houses came to Troncones, this resort, these fancy houses for rich people. They arrived to Troncones and they cut down all the native veggie and they substitute by decorative plants. Plants who are not from here, plants who don't produce fruit, plants who don't even produce leaves for mulch, and plants who need a lot of water. Troncones is a place without water. The water must be came from at least 10 miles north from here. We should not be here. Why? Because we have two ecosystems. We have the ocean ecosystem and we have the land ecosystem. The places in the world where two ecosystems get together are the richest. They have both. They have the animals of the ocean and they have the animals of the land. And we are putting right in that exchange, right? Both systems don't compete, as Darwin said. Darwin said that the species compete. No. The species share. They are part of a relationship. Both need each other. So here, when we set it up, all these concrete houses, all this movement, we are stopping the flow between both ecosystems. We are obstructing the interaction between both ecosystems. That's the first main bad aspect to set up anything here. We found that there's people interested in organic food here, but those people want to eat organic and they are using Agent Orange in their gardens, right? So it's kind of a paradox, right? You want organic and you are using pesticide in your garden. So I got the idea to sell organic fertilizers, organic plant control to their gardens, and then with that money finance the organic food crop, right? So here in Troncones, I'm selling to the gardens owners this fertilizer, and I'm training to the gardens how to use it, how made it, how combat the plagues without toxic substance. To rescue the land, the soil, the hills, to have more water, to have more species, to preserve our aquifers that we are lost in so fast. That's why we are doing the reforestation. This moment is kind of a genetical rescue, because some of these species we are being disappear without save their seeds or without save their genes, right? So if we don't do this, if we don't rescue the genes, we are lost in forever. This is what happened in England. In England, with Margaret Thatcher, she started the biggest reforestation program in the world at his moment, and they could not do it because they didn't have native species to restore the rest of the country. So that can be happening here. Okay. That at one moment when we get the money, when we get the organization, when we put all together to work, there's not going to be species to restore.